Hey guys, all right, so we're in our third week of school, third week of this online learning, and I want to give you a better idea, I guess, of what I'm looking for when I say that you didn't submit work. A lot of you are submitting your work and you're submitting that you did go formative, or you're submitting that only x equals 5 or something like that. And that's great. I'm glad that you're able to get to that, but I need to see how you're getting to that answer. So what's on my screen right here is a perfect example. This was Tuesday's assignment. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Problems are set up. Do you need to write out the problem? Absolutely not. But I can see very easily the work involved or the work that they did in order to get to the answer that they did. And the reason why I need to see your work is because in Go Formative, so what Go Formative does for me is it lets me know where the issues are. So if you look here, this is what I see on Go Formative. So right here, this is the same assignment, I believe. So this tells me that of the people that did it, and obviously you can see that there are blanks, so that means that not everyone did it. But the red right here tells me that this person did not get those problems correct, or maybe they didn't even do those problems. Now the other issue is that this person right here got 3 out of 5 wrong. So and then also look here, there's a little text box. If you get something wrong, or if you get something wrong, you can write a little comment in Go Formative, and it informs me immediately that you have a question. So, and then this one, I kind of think I responded back. So for those that are doing your assignments and you're inputting them into Go Formative, that's great. Go Formative is kind of like, in a normal math class when the next day your teacher would go over the problems and you'd check your answers. You don't have that ability because we're virtual. But that's what Go Formative is. Go Formative would be like me the next day going over the answers. Or as you're working, you can immediately get that, that satisfaction of the green dot or the stop, relook at your problem red dot. If you get red dots, you need to go back and change your answers or look and see where things went wrong. The other thing is that we've got to talk about learning versus earning. I have a lot of people just pressing turn in. That's not going to work. You have to actually do the problems. And you have a quiz coming up for you guys. I think it'll be next Thursday. And on that quiz, if you don't know how to do these problems, if you don't learn the problems, and the material, you're not going to earn the grade that you probably deserve and you could get if you were face to face. I am available every day after school until 2:41. I also probably on Wednesday evening will do a Google Meet with you guys if you have any additional questions. But from now until then, you definitely need to be working on your missing assignments. Just even if you look here at this Go Formative, this is from Tuesday, and there's clearly a decent amount of people who need to not only do the assignment, but also check their work. So from now until then, please make sure you are getting caught up. I'm giving tomorrow as a catch-up day. It'll probably be the last one, unless I see that it's actually necessary. But there's a lot of missing assignments, and I know that this is new for everybody, but we have got to find the balance to figure out how to stay on top of things. I'm trying to make my videos as short as possible. Trying. If you have any other recommendations, or if you want to just shoot me an email and let me know maybe if I'm doing something good or something that's helpful. This is a learning experience for me as well. I'm just trying to do my best so that it almost feels like for you when you press play on those videos that you feel like you're still in a math class. So again, reach out. I was going to do a Google form for it, but I figured you guys have filled out enough of those. But shoot me an email and let me know what's working, maybe what's not working, what could be done better. You're not going to hurt my feelings as long as you're kind of nice about it. I'm still learning. But let me know what would you like to see more of, maybe. So I hope that helps and kind of gives you an idea of really what I'm looking for. But this is something that this person just took a picture of their assignment, put it in a Google Doc, and then in Google Classroom, they added a Google Doc, they added an attachment. This is what I want to see. I know some people are still emailing me their assignments, but this is so much easier for me So if you could do it this way, that'd be great. But again, any issues, any questions, don't hesitate to ask, reach out. But I would like to hear a little bit of feedback on how the last 3 weeks have gone. So let me know.